Hello everyone, I'm Kęstutis Kažukauskas from company Intelligent Beam Solutions, and today I will present you DDS-CAD software as advanced tool for 2D drawing. And in this webinar you will get more information about DDS-CAD and how it is possible to fast and accurate designing into the architectural drawings. Let's open the DDS-CAD software, and in this field we can see empty screen, so we should insert external resource like DVG. I select architectural file and I select automatically adjust to lower left corner of insert, so it means it's inserting in my left corner of the software. So you can see 2D drawing. I can show you in 3D mode that it's flat, and I'm not cheating with 3D, so I have only 2D drawing here. So first of all I should set a scale for this drawing. So as you can see here, I have 4 meters to 4,200 millimeters for this distance. So I select from this point to this one, and I can see it's 4.2 meters, so the scale is good. So but in our case you should set a scale and it should be 1 by 1. So in this case for us it's okay, we can leave it. So now I should change the colors, and layer settings is the same like in AutoCAD. If you're using AutoCAD, so you know layers, and as you can see here I have some different naming layers for this one. This information came from DVG file, so I select all of them, right click and select the color, what kind of color I would like to have it. So I will select light gray, this one. Now I will create layer setup. It means this setting will be for the next floor, for example, for new drawing. So I just select my settings and I don't need to change manually every time again. So save it. I select also DVG layers, like this one, DVG layers, select the same light gray, save, and I will change some colors in basic geometry. It means if you insert some construction model, so it also will be light gray in our case. Save, repaint, okay, and you can see I have building in the light color, so it means my system will be in different colors, so total different colors, and it will be not so much disturbing to work and make a project. So you can see here some additional information like tiles, some circles in the middle, some maybe furniture. So you can use fast layered wizard settings function, and you can select one of elements you don't want to see in the drawing. So for example, I don't want to see tiles. I turn off this one, I turn off circles, maybe furniture as well. I turn off this one. I can open again layer display, so you can search here in all applications. So it means in this layer you can see all layers which you are using, or maybe in the future you will use it. So as you can see here, I have some layers turned off. You can turn on manually here, or you can turn off, so it's up to you. I press save just to in the future to have the same settings for my layer setup building. I press OK. Okay, so now I have a prepared building for my drawings, and now I should start selecting equipment from the library, and like main project is in 2D, so I don't have any calculation made with this program, so it means that I should insert calculation results from my own like Excel, or maybe I calculate with other programs, so I can insert here. So now I should select heating equipment for some rooms. I will show only few rooms due to lack of time. So select the radiators, and as you can see here in the library list, you can select different type of heating equipment, like a panel radiator, convector, towel radiator, radiant heater, air heater, compact cooling fan, bathroom radiator, column radiator, plan valve radiator, profile radiator, heating horizontal. So the library is quite big, and you can modify it by yourself or insert elements from different systems, from like beamobjects.com, or using other libraries where you can find 3D elements. So for this time I will select valve radiator prof, and let's say select 600 millimeters high, and I would like to have 22 type. Radiator type is 22. So and I will select different length of radiator, so maybe 1 meter to 220 centimeters. I select this one, and as you can see in this table, I can select that my heating equipment should be filled with solid. I can change the mounting height, like now you can see it's finished floor, but as you know, we are working in 2D, so I will select 3. I can insert new height, like I don't know, 0.15 or 0.2, it's up to you. You can see what type of radiator is using here. It should be included in part list, this one. I press apply, okay, and you can see my heating equipment is in blue color. So as you can see here, I have window which is from -22 millimeters up to 2230 millimeters. So it means that this windows is going from floor. So I just insert here, move from the wall using some maybe this length of distance from the wall. So, and as you can see here, my window is from floor, so it starts from 0 basically, okay, -22, and here I select a 600 millimeters high radiator, so I can change it selecting different height of radiator. So I will select 300 millimeters high, and let's say select 22 type, or 22, and length is 1200. So I just change it, and now you can see, like I mentioned before, this heating equipment, heating devices without any calculations, because it's just empty radiator. We didn't insert any heat loads of the room. So next step, I will insert more radiators here and maybe here. So I just make a copy, Control C, or just using command list, copy. Okay, copy, paste, using the same keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+V. I insert here. Also I move the same distance from the wall here. In this place I would like insert bigger radiator, but like here is one room, so it it will be nicer to have the same height radiator. So I will copy again this one, insert somewhere here, move down by 35 millimeters. This one I can change the length. Maybe I would like to have type 22 and radiator length 2 meters, something like this one. Okay, and I would like to insert in the middle of this window. So I just select here, and you can see my radiator is in the middle of this according this window. So 1, 2, 3, and one more here. So the window starts from 0, so I insert again valve profilate, this one 22, maybe 800. I select 800, okay, and I insert here. So in this case I would like to change the side, so mark in function this one here, and the same go down by 35 millimeters from the wall. So then we insert all radiators in all rooms, so you can start drawing your main pipe or the heating system. So I will have only 4 radiators, and now let's start drawing main pipe, heating system main pipe. So I select somewhere here, it will be my pipe start, and maybe boiler room or something like this one. So in the group you can select the type of the group, like heating, domestic water, wastewater, gas, cooling, steam. So I select heating, then you should select what kind of system it is, like heat flow, heat return, primary flow, solar return, glycol flow. So it's up to you, but now I will select heat flow. You can select different material for this system, so I will select heating, maybe PE, high pressure, like this one. I select different type of diameter of a pipe, so select 32, this one, and now I will insert mounting height, installing height of the pipe. So for example -1 meter, -1 meter, start here and just go here, go up. So I will have a vertical pipe. So if you look in 3D model, you will see that I have a horizontal pipe, and then I have vertical pipe in this position. So now I select this one, select function draw parallel, select OK, 15 centimeters, press this one, and then you can see I have a return pipe here. So I would like also use insulation for this one. Select the different type of insulation, so like this one, 20 millimeters. For this one I will use the same. Okay, so now you can see I have pipes with insulation, and it's up to you how would you like to show pipes in 2D model. Like you can use only lines like this one. You can show 2D advanced pipe presentation, so you will see the pipe and the insulation together, or you can say I would like to see like this one in different colors. So it's up to you. For me it's easier to use like this one. So now I will draw some horizontal pipes from stack pipes so I will select function what I would like to do. So I select here, I insert new height, so for example -0.1 meter. Okay, PE the same. Okay, I will draw something like this one. I have here one pipe, and I will draw the same for return. 0.1. Select the same pipe like this one. So when you have a main pipe in the floor, for example, you can move all bands and tees. Like you can select what kind of distance should be in this from this center. So I will select 10 centimeters, and you can see in this field I have 10 centimeters distance between pipes. So, and now, for example, as you remembered, we insulate the main pipe which is in the floor, 20 millimeters insulation. For example, for this part I would like to have different insulation, like maybe 9 millimeters. So select this one. So I can use different materials, different insulation thicknesses of system. So it's according your drawing rules. So now you can see that my pipe in this position has 9 millimeters insulation, and this should be 20. So now next step is I should connect my entire system to the main pipe. So I just move it a little bit down. So I will select one radiator, then select right click, and I have function select objects F or F of same time as the one selected. Select this one and select entire building. You can see it selected only 4 radiators. So I press right click, I have function automatic connection. So in this field you can select how would you like to connect your heating equipment. You can use direct from button to floor, button or valve inside valve, and settings how would you like to avoid collision. So I will select direct from button to floor and avoid collision 45 degrees bent over. So I press OK, and you can see I just connected my radiators to my heating system pipes, and like it's automatically done. So you can, for example, you decided to move this radiator to the left for 1 meter to the left, and you can see that here my all branches are moving together with heating equipment. So like if I go up 1 meter, you can see my pipe is increasing. So it's intelligent and it's according the equipment. So like 1 meter like this one, and this one all changes are included in part list. So if you look here, you can see all materials which are included to this project. You can make a report. You can select part list, select part list, so you can see what is included here, like total length of 2.9 millimeters P80. You have 60 meters total. Then you have mineral fiber laminated 9 meters and pipe insulation 9 millimeter. You have 50 meters. Bends, tees, and radiators, valve. So all materials are included in this part list. I will close this one. So next step is, in 2D it's really hard to decide you are crossing each pipe or not, so you have space to move it or avoid the clash. So in DDS-CAD is some really good function, like you start drawing a pipe again and you forgot in which high you start mounting this one. You can select pipe, doesn't matter which one, you start drawing and just make like this one. So you can see, I don't know, I have any clashes here or no. So you can make fast checking for this one, show clash detection against pipes, and you can see green circles here. So it means that I have clashes between this pipe and these two. So I don't need to delete entire system, so I need just split a pipe from here, for example, to here, and start drawing pipe again. So I select a pipe end, I just come here in the middle of the different pipe, and as you can see in the list, I can select different opportunities how I would like to avoid the existing pipe. So I select climb under all over, so you can use different bends for avoiding these clashes. So 15, 45, 30, and I will use over. This is the distance between from here to here. Press OK and connect again. So in this case, I can see I have one bend here, so I just move manually like this one, and I can check it again, is any clashes between different systems. So as you can see, I don't have any clashes in this place, so I have some clash here. It means clashes between, as you can see, it's no gap, any gap here, so I can move like, I can make like this one, press again and pipe, and you can see I don't have any clash here, so it's the same here. So now when you made a system checking for the clashes, you can use you can insert some nodes for text, some pipes. Also I forgot to mention that you can insert manually some transitions, like 20, apply, OK, and I would like to this part the same. So all part is included in part list. You can insert simply a new branch, like I would like to start drawing like this one maybe here, and of course you can insert transitions manually, and these, so all materials, as I mentioned, is included in the part list. Also you can make some more detailed calculation, and you can insert like a calculation point of this system, like heating one. Press OK, and you can see I have squirrel rectangular in this place. I insert the same here, H1. OK, so I will select heating cooling system. I can see what is included here. I press calculate. In this position you can see existing dimension of the system, but you can lock it if you like it, but you can press calculate. It's pump selection primary table. Press OK, and you can see my dimensions are changed according the flow. Of course, if we insert some load on the radiators, these calculations will be different, but we can change and using fast modeling of the system. So like here, and you can see that it's changed. I have some reduction here, maybe T here, so it's changed automatically. The next step is insert some node part text. So I select border, reference line, select radiator like this one. You can modify it, of course, like you can change what would you like to see. Maybe I would like to see only product description, mounting height, and that's all. So you can see it's valve radiator profile type, a bottom connection to valve 20 millimeters from the bottom from the floor. So you can insert part text for the pipe as well, like here. So you can insert all text. Which would you like to see? I would like maybe one text for Like you can see, I inserted different text. You can see what kind of text is it here. So next one is prepare for drawings, plot layouts. So I will create some sections. Maybe I would like to have this section here. Double click on, this one, double click here. You can see I have radiator here and my 2D drawing in this position. So I have section. I can create part model of this one. So I would like to have from this one to this. Close, okay, and I will insert some dimensions from this corner to the middle of the radiator. Okay, to here, maybe this one and this corner. Enter. So I have some dimensions here, like this one. You can modify it. So you can select the sheet. You can modify, you can create your own, you can select from the library, but if you don't find here, you can create your own dimensions and create your own sheet. So press OK. Okay, and next step is title field. You can select from the list, like from here, or you can insert from DVG. So I will insert this one. It's default DDS-CAD corner stamp. You can see it's inserted in the right bottom corner. So now I can insert some model, part model sections like this one. So I would like to insert my part model. For this one, you can set a scale, like maybe scaling 1 to 50, and say insert like this one. I would like insert a layout, so maybe it should be 3 times bigger, like this one. I will insert here. Close, and you have drawings here in this field, so you can insert as well text information, like section A to A. Give a height of the text, like this one. You can copy and give a text here, room 011. So I have this one. So you have some drawings. You can insert predefined legend, high power insulation, maybe heating sanitary, like this one. I can insert somewhere here. So also you can make dimensions here in this field, but I suggest create dimensions in model field here, because as you can see I have dimensions here, and when I change the scaling of this one, for example, I will make it bigger, like 4 times bigger. You can see my entire drawing is changed, and the dimensions and text also are changed, but this text is left the same. So it's better to make them dimensions in the model and then just insert drawings. So next step is to create title field. So if you press this button, you can give a description, like project, webinar. Okay, then you can see when it's created, who created. I will delete it. Updated, press, you can see here. Okay, this one is also deleted. Basement, you can give all descriptions here, like this one. Basement, drawing number. You can insert some revisions, like a description changed, heating equipment in room 001. Add, you can say now it's modified. For example, for today I press OK, and you can see here it's modified. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you like it, my short presentation about DDS-CAD as advanced tool for 2D drawings. See you next time in our new webinars about new features in DDS-CAD. Thank you again. Bye.